In this question, it is said the angles of elevation of top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of tower and in the same straight line with angles angles are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. So basically in this question we have to find out what is the height of tower, or finally we have to prove our result that it should come 6 meter. So let's solve this question. First of all, let's make the figure. So tower is given. Suppose the tower is given as a b. Now from the top of tower, so this is the top of tower, from this top we have 2 points mentioned as statement. So this is the first point on the bottom, and let us consider it as second point from the bottom. So it is mentioned in the question that this distance from bottom of the tower to the first point, it is 4 meter. So it is 4 meter up to here only. Suppose this point is C, and from the bottom of tower to this final point the distance is given 9 meter. So it is 9 meter. Let us consider this point as D, and the angles are complementary. So suppose one angle is theta, angle D, suppose theta, so angle C will become 90 minus theta. Why? Reason is complementary angles are always have some 90 degree. So one is theta, another one is 90 minus theta. So let us draw this as 90 minus theta. So now considering the triangle, in triangle ABC, from ABC we can write tangent 90 minus theta is equal to AB upon BC, because we already know that we have studied in the previous chapter that PBP HHB, so perpendicular upon base is always a tangent function. So perpendicular upon base, so here AB is our perpendicular, BC is our base. So we have written AB upon BC. So we will give it equation number 1. Now going to the second equation, let's take in triangle ABD. ABD. So in larger triangle we are writing ABD, tangent theta is equal to AB upon BD. We can write this. So this is equation number 2. Now comparing equation number 1 and 2, we come to know in equation 1 this 90 tangent 90 minus theta, as per exercise 8.3 we have studied that 90 minus theta, this angle always lies in the first quadrant. We have studied 4 quadrants. If you remember, add sugar to coffee, 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree. So now 90 minus theta. So 90 minus theta will come in this one, less than 90. So in A, here all functions are positive. If you don't remember, let me recall you that we have studied in all functions means sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and tan all are positive in first quadrant. So therefore tan 90 minus theta on 90-degree angle will change to cot theta. So therefore this tan 90 minus theta can be written as cot theta is equal to AB upon BC, and cot theta again, cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta because of the reciprocal property. So 1 upon tan theta is equal to AB upon BC. This implies tan theta is equal to BC upon AB. What I did, I just take denominator as a numerator, numerator as denominator. So on the other side also AB will come denominator, BC will go on the numerator. So it becomes in this manner I did. Or simply we can also say that tangent theta was in division this side and went that side become in multiplication. BC was in division this side comes denominator become numerator and numerator will become denominator. In this manner we can say. So tangent theta is equal to BC upon AB. So this is our equation number 1, same. We have just modified it. And from the figure, we have another equation. What is that? Tangent theta is AB upon BD. So tangent theta is equal to AB upon BD. So this is equation number 2. Now in equation number also we have tangent theta BC by AB, and in tangent theta AB by BD. So from 1 and 2 we can write BC by AB is equal to AB upon BD. Cross multiply AB square is equal to BC multiplied BD. So now put values. AB square, BC is 4, BD is 9. So we will write BC AB square is equal to 4 into 9, AB square is equal to 36. So square root AB square, square root to square cancel, and 6 square, square root to square cancel. So AB is coming 6 meter, and that's we have to prove that AB is equal to 6 meter. We have omitted the negative symbol because distance or height can be negative. So AB is plus 6 meter, hence proved.